Hi everybody, this is Mr. Klein. I'm going to go through the elimination method today with you. This is example 1, but the twist we're putting on it is it's still the elimination method with this system of equations. However, now we need to multiply first in order to eliminate either the x or the y. So let's take a look at this system. We have 2x plus 5y equals negative 22, and we have 10x plus 3y equals 22. So first thing we need to do is see if we can find a pattern. Because let's look at the multiples. And the first thing I notice here is that I have a 2x and a 10x. And I know from my multiplication tables that if I multiply 2 times 5, I will get 10. But what if I multiply by negative 5? Negative 5 times 2 would give me negative 10. And then if I added these two equations, I'd be able to cancel out the x's. So let's try that. The key is that I have to multiply everything by negative 5 in this equation. And when I do that, I'm going to come down here, rewrite that. I get a negative 10x plus, well actually we'll make that negative 25y and that's going to equal positive 110. So we're not confused, we'll just make that a minus 25y, which is the same as a plus negative 25y. Then this equation right here, we're just carrying down. So then we have a 10x plus 3y equals 22. From here, I'm going to change my color. I'm going to add these because I know when I add these, it's going to cancel out the 10x. So this 10x right here, this is all going to be gone because it's going to be canceled out. Negative 10x plus positive 10x is 0. Negative 25y plus 3y, that's going to give us negative 22y. And that's going to equal 110 plus 22, which is 132. Then I solve for y. So I divide both sides by 22. And when I do that, 22 divided by 22, okay, and we're dividing this by 22. I wish I had a stylus so that I could actually put it right underneath it, but hopefully you'll still get this. That's going to give me, when I divide both sides by 22, y is going to equal negative 6. There we have it, y equals negative 6. Here it is. That's the first answer here, y equals negative 6. But now I have to go back in and I have to pick one of the equations. Whoops, sorry about that. And let's just use the first equation, that original equation, 2x plus 5y equals negative 22. Let's plug in that information. In fact, I'll just come right down here and do it. As you can see, I am getting used to using this, and I, like I said before, really need a stylist here. Alright, so let's plug in negative 6 for y. So we still have our 2x. And now it's 5 times negative 6 equals negative 22. We do the math. We get 2x minus 30 equals negative 22. Add 30 to both sides. Right? And that's going to get us, we're going to have 2x equals 8. And of course, from there, we know we're going to divide 2 from both sides. X will equal 4. So there you have it. We'll highlight that answer as well. Our solution is going to be 4, comma, -6. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Make sure that you get this in your notes. Hopefully you're doing it. It took me long enough to get through this, so hopefully you have all of this in your notes. See you in class.